So we're in Dallas. We just spent 2.5 hours in traffic. We have about an hour to set up 2 PA systems. So we're in a little bit of a rush. And I'm pretty sure Mary Grace is gonna have to set up the inside or outside cocktail hour PA system, which will be interesting. And to top it all off, we're pushing everything through this gravel. Those might roll better. Okay. All right, that's it. Is this outside?
That's outside.
Is that where it is? Excuse me. Can I squeeze by y'all here real quick?
Hey, John.
We gotta take photos.
This is it for us. Yeah, just put speakers right here and right here. That's all you have to do. Oh gosh. This is
Right there. Mom was trying to clean him up. Bangers only. Bangers only.
all right. It's 4:30. People start playing music at 5:30? I guess right here.
One here and one there.
No, the rack, I guess. I'm not putting the rack by a bar. That's stupid. That's just dumb. So, one sub is awesome. We'll see if those floor outlets work. I don't know what that is, but it might be getting unplugged just based on what's available. Okay. We'll put that rack right there. It'll be ugly, but from the, woo, this is okay, right? This isn't too little a space.
It's gonna have to work.
I think it's okay. Okay. Floor outlets. I hope that's good power. Gotta leave myself room enough to get back there for all the wireless stuff. Whoa! Plenty of time. So yes, this is doubling for the ceremony and dancing during the reception. I hope that outlet works, or I hope that we can open that one. Woo! At least you're gonna be working where it's nice and shaded.
Yeah. When does that ever happen?
It doesn't. I just can't leave 3 hours early for a gig. It's just not logical. We left, how many hours early did we leave for this
Almost
gig?
2.5.
2.5 hours, and still no good. Not enough time. 2 hours
Well,
early.
2 hours, 10 minutes early.
Yeah. Okay. Power. And move this out a little bit. Get some power to these subs. Always sweating, man. This is 100 feet of XLR cable you need to get around here. Should be enough. into that. This will change for later, but for now, that's what it's gonna look like.
I just need to see how we're setting these long tables.
Yes. Oh yes, we need to tape this down immediately. Just barely not long enough. Oh no. Since it's a barn door, I can't have it right there. We'll do the rest later. That's not gonna work. I don't like doing that, but hey, what are you gonna do? How am I sweating this much inside? Should use my 50-footer. Okay. I don't know if this is more or less than 15 feet.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, right. Perfect. Okie doke. I'm hot and I don't like being late. And I'm wondering how much height I'm going to be able to get off of these. Definitely, and I guess 15 feet's worth is plenty. With the power sort like right here. Power.
You guys with Silver Creek?
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm the DJ.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Connor, this is Connor.
Oh, another Connor.
Sick. Awesome.
Good to meet you, man.
It won't be confusing.
We're kind of in a little bit of a hurry, right? We hit a lot of traffic.
No, you're good. Yeah.
So I'm gonna get this all set up, do the pastor mic, you know, get that done, and then I'll hook your sound up.
Sweet.
Woo, this is dirty.
Your setup.
Yeah.
Fastest PA setup ever.
And it's gonna pop right here, but I don't care. Run a line for that.
Yeah. It'll be around.
And something I don't do terribly often.
What?
Wow.
Drop it.
Uh-huh. One. Where's the other one?
So like if we have time, we'll try wireless outside, but probably not.
I'm not doing that. That ship has sailed. It's 4:54. I'm almost there. I need to check the speakers.
Okay.
Make sure this microphone works, and then I'll run you a line over here with
Okay.
a little box. It just comes out of your laptop, out of the
Yeah.
headphone
There we go.
jack, and
Sweet.
that's it. Sorry, Pastor, this is gross. But it's the only way. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. Hey, 3, 4, this one isn't on. Check 1, 2. Hey, check 1, 2, 3, 4. Ugh, nothing's coming out of this one. 1, 2, choo, 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 choo. Hey. That'll help it a little bit, at least. 3, 4, hey. I got a lot of stuff on my belt. Check 1, 2. Okay, that's, hey, check, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. All right, I'm running you a line right now. What's up?
Do you have a handheld for their valves up front too?
Yep, they want one.
They do.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Thank you.
Let's check, hey. Hey, 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, hey. Handheld mic, check 1, 2. All right. 50-footer. All right. That's for your output. It goes out of your computer into that. I have a cord for you. Huh.
Behind the plants.
Yep. Yeah, just hold it there for me. Whoop, you got? I'm going over here. Yeah.
Sorry.
You're good.
Okay, thank you.
And here's that.
Yep.
Right here. And then turn it up all the way
On
your computer. Is it going?
Yeah. We have anything?
Now. Yes. That's all the way up?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. You probably need to get started on yours. Don't you think?
Somebody surprised somebody. Would like to come. Maybe let's do these two over there.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Am I dumb? Yes, I am dumb. It's fine. What did Connor say? Connor said the mail goes here. I don't know what I'm doing. I told my husband, I was like, I've seen you do it 1,000 times. I can do it. I can't do it. Yeah.
How's it going? Did you do it?
Am I doing it right?
Yes, she is.
Right? I don't know. Is this plugged in right?
Yes. Where is it going? Here? Yeah.
So where's the second cord go?
It can go either here or through. I would just go
I'm gonna
right
go
here. Do this.
To here?
Yeah.
Okay, so another
yeah.
email. Okay, and then I just run it to the other speaker?
Yep.
Okay, and then you go into
Input 1.
input 1. On power.
No.
Oh,
Back here.
back here.
Yeah. Now you turn the speakers on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Really, honestly, you don't even need this.
Because it's so small.
Well, you can just use this.
You can just go. Okay. I almost got there without your help.
Well, you did a great job. Yeah, you did. I didn't have to do anything. Headphones set his headset on. I had it wrong in there too, that's why it wasn't working.